Hey, how you doing guys? I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a famous Chinese cabbage stir fry called hand-torn cabbage, or in Chinese we call it 手势包菜. It is spicy, savory, has a crispy texture, and in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare it with some simple tips. First, I washed the cabbage thoroughly with water, and then I pat dried it with a dry cloth. Now I cut it into half. Gently remove each leaf with my hand. Now we have all the loose leaves not stacking up together, and that is important for effective stir frying. Now use my hand, shred the cabbage to about 2 to 3 inches length and discard the stem. I've finished shredding the cabbage. These are the loose leaves which I'm going to use it for stir frying. And for the harder part, that's the stems, I'm going to reserve it to make a vegetable broth. Next, prepare some other ingredients for this recipe. Some garlic slices, some Sichuan peppercorn, that's optional, some dry chilies. Cut the dry chilies into short sections. Since I do not want it to be too spicy, I remove the seeds. But if you like it to be spicier, just leave the seeds there. Heat the wok over medium heat and add some oil. Then add the Sichuan peppercorns to season the oil, which is optional. Once the flavor has released, I'll then remove the Sichuan peppercorns because I do not want to bite on it. Alternatively, you can use the ground Sichuan peppercorn powder instead of using the whole spice. Next, add the garlic and a dry chili and stir fry until aromatic. Next, add the cabbage and stir fry over high heat. Due to the high heat, it will develop some char marks, which that's what I intend to do. That's one way to create a wok aroma. Now season the cabbage with light soy sauce, some rice vinegar, a little bit of sugar to balance the vinegar, and some salt. Mix it well and continue to stir fry until crisp tender, which probably will take another less than half a minute. Then remove it from the wok immediately. Here are some tips to mix the stir-fried cabbage. First, keep it dry so that it is crispy while stir-frying. Also, remove the stem and use only the leaves. And lastly, use high heat to stir-fry to make it slightly char to create a wok aroma. That's how to make 手势包菜 hand-torn cabbage, and I hope you love it. I've added the recipe in the description below the video for your reference. And remember, please subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.